Even picky eaters will love this. Eggplant, yes, just like at restaurants. Start with a halved eggplant and finish cutting it like this. Next, slice the eggplant into strips. Then transfer to a bowl. Pour hot water over it. Let the eggplant sit for about 3 minutes. Meanwhile, crack 3 eggs onto a plate. Add a pinch of salt. Beat well with a fork. In another dish, mix breadcrumbs and flour. Season with salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Mix thoroughly. Now pat dry the eggplant with a towel. Dip the eggplant in the beaten eggs. Then coat in the flour mixture. Dip in eggs once more. Finally, fry in hot oil. Drain on paper towels, then enjoy. Look how amazing this recipe turns out. Try it at home, I'm sure you'll love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick dish from Pobre na Cozinha. Take care everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.